The International Builders Show in Las Vegas always brings surprises, but nothing quite like this two park models seamlessly combined into a single 680 square foot dwelling. The concept alone is revolutionary, challenging everything we typically expect from factory-built housing. Let's examine every detail of this innovative living space. Approaching from the exterior, the first thing that stands out is the premium LP Smart Side siding wrapping the structure. This isn't your standard park model cladding. The vertical paneling gives the home a contemporary, almost urban aesthetic that would look equally at home in a city loft district as it would in a rural retreat. The roofline cleverly disguises the dual-unit nature of the build, with only the subtle separation at the breezeway hinting at its modular origins. The covered porch spans the full 14-foot width of the living section, featuring architectural details rarely seen in factory-built homes. Recessed LED lighting runs along the ceiling perimeter, while two weatherproof speakers flank the sliding glass entry door. The porch flooring uses a composite decking material with a realistic wood grain texture that feels solid underfoot. No hollow-sounding plastic decking here. The sliding door itself is a premium model with black aluminum framing and energy-efficient Low-E glass. Stepping inside the living area, the volume of natural light is immediately striking. 3 massive windows, a 6-foot slider plus 2 4-foot picture windows flood the space with daylight. The 9-foot ceilings enhance the sense of openness, with shiplap detailing adding visual interest at the upper wall sections. The electric fireplace isn't just an afterthought insert. It's a fully integrated unit with a realistic flame effect that uses a combination of LED lighting and reflective panels to create depth. The built-in shelving on either side provides both display space and concealed storage behind cabinet doors. The kitchen area demonstrates how far park model design has evolved. Instead of the typical galley kitchen squeezed into a corner, this space features a proper L-shaped layout with full-size appliances. The stainless steel range has a convection oven and glass cooktop, while the microwave is a built-in drawer model that saves upper cabinet space. Quartz countertops extend to create a casual dining bar, with the main table built into the opposite wall on a space-saving fold-down mechanism. Cabinet hardware throughout is matte black, coordinating with the faucet and lighting fixtures. Storage solutions abound in unexpected places. The coffee station includes a slide-out tray for appliances, while the shallow cabinets flanking the refrigerator are perfect for pantry items. Even the toe-kick space beneath the lower cabinets has been utilized with discrete pull-out drawers. The backsplash is a textured ceramic tile running all the way to the ceiling, giving the kitchen a surprisingly upscale feel. The half-bath near the living area proves no space is wasted. While compact, it features a vessel sink atop a floating vanity, with open shelving below for towels. The toilet is an elongated bowl model, and the mirror has integrated LED lighting touches usually reserved for higher-end site-built homes. The wall finish is a moisture-resistant paneling with a subtle linen texture that feels more residential than the typical RV-style plastic walls. The breezeway connecting the two sections is a masterclass in multifunctional design. At 8 feet long, it serves as both passageway and entertainment space. The bar counter includes USB charging ports and under-counter refrigeration, while the wall-mounted TV swivels for viewing from either the bar or the adjacent seating nook. The ceiling here features the same recessed lighting as the porch, creating visual continuity between indoor and outdoor spaces. Moving into the bedroom section, the differences from traditional park models become even more apparent. The stacked washer-dryer unit is concealed behind a cabinet panel that matches the adjacent built-in workspace. The desk surface is genuine hardwood with cable management cutouts, while the overhead cabinets include a combination of open shelving and closed storage. A full-length mirror with integrated lighting serves as both functional element and space-enhancing feature. The sleeping area itself feels more like a boutique hotel room than a park model. The platform bed sits within a recessed alcove with wood plank feature walls that continue onto the ceiling. 2 operable skylights flank the ceiling fan, providing both ventilation and stargazing opportunities. The most impressive feature is the full wall of built-in storage opposite the bed, a combination of hanging space, drawers, and adjustable shelving that could easily accommodate 2 people's wardrobes. The en suite bathroom continues the theme of thoughtful design, The walk-in shower features a frameless glass enclosure and dual shower heads, one fixed rainfall and one handheld. Niche shelving is built into the shower wall, and the floor uses large format tiles with a subtle texture for safety. The vanity is a double sink design with quartz countertop and integrated lighting beneath the wall-mounted cabinets. Even the toilet area has its own dedicated storage cabinet and recessed shelving. Throughout both sections, the attention to detail in the finishes is remarkable. Door hardware is all solid-feeling levers rather than knobs. The flooring is a luxury vinyl plank with a realistic wood grain and texture that runs continuously between rooms. All windows are dual-pane with built-in blinds between the glass layers. The HVAC system uses a high-efficiency duct mini-split that's virtually silent in operation. Electrical features show equal consideration. USB outlets are strategically placed where needed, and the smart home system controls lighting, temperature, and security from a single panel. Even the exterior has thoughtful touches like ground-level lighting and pre-wiring for solar panels. This isn't just two park models stuck together, it's a completely reimagined approach to factory-built living. The design solves so many of the typical compromises of small spaces without feeling like an RV or trailer. There's actual room to entertain, to work, to relax, all while maintaining the benefits of factory construction. The 550 square foot floor plan, per the official specs, lives much larger, proving that smart design can outweigh raw square footage. Every element feels intentional, from the way the breezeway creates separation between living and sleeping areas to how the abundant glazing connects the interior with outdoor spaces. This could easily serve as a full-time residence, vacation home, or even a sophisticated rental property. It challenges preconceptions about what park model living can be, offering a blueprint for how factory-built housing might evolve to meet changing needs and expectations. The dual-unit approach provides flexibility too. The sections could be used independently if needed, or combined as shown for larger living spaces. What's most impressive is how the design manages to feel both spacious and cozy simultaneously. The open areas encourage gathering, while the bedroom alcove creates a sense of privacy and retreat. Storage is abundant but discreet, and the quality of finishes exceeds what many would expect at this price point. This isn't just a new take on park models, it's a compelling alternative to traditional housing that just happens to be factory-built. The potential applications are endless, from backyard cottages to resort developments to affordable housing solutions. After seeing this, it's hard to look at conventional park models the same way again.